Here at Promise Community Homes, we are so happy to provide homes for adults with intellectual and developmental disabilities. On this particular site, we have homes for our nearly 70 residents, and unfortunately, those residents have very limited funds. So we thought of what better way to provide a more nutritionally balanced diet for them than growing our own vegetables and using a beautiful foodscape. So we wanted to work with custom foodscaping because that is what they do, and they can come out, take a look at our space, tell us what works best for us, what can work best for our residents. So it was just a no-brainer for us, and we are tickled to death with the results. By adding the raised bed garden, it just provides one more opportunity for our residents to get outside their homes, be in the beautiful out of doors, and understand what it is to be able to grow something that they can just take right back to their kitchen and eat, or eat it right off the vine. It's a great social aspect and just adds to what we already do. We will celebrate 50 years next year, and as we're looking at our campus here and our buildings and our site, we're trying to think, what can we do to sustain this organization into the next 50 years, but kind of think outside the box and add to our mission. We never wanted when I have the mission drift, but how can we add to our mission and what we're doing? Because serving adults with disabilities and providing beautiful, lovely homes for them is what we are about, but nutrition is what this is about. Making sure they're a part of the community is what this is about. And so we're so fortunate to be in a location that is in a beautiful community. We have great resources at our fingertips, but what can we do to kind of take it to the next level and engage the next generations of those that we're going to serve? And I think that's what we're all really excited about. And with the new blood, new energy comes new ideas, and the sky is the limit. We can do whatever we need to do or think we want to do.